Us to honor the valor of the Central Reserve Police Force. President Ramnath Kovind, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah extended their wishes, remembering the courage of the force, and they paid tributes to martyrs on the occasion.
The whole country is celebrating Shaurya Divas to commemorate the defense of the Sardar Post by the Central Reserve Police Force in the Run of Kutch at the onset of the Indo-Pak War of 1965. The historic day was 9th April 1965 when the Pakistan Army carried out the Desert Hawk operation to capture Indian territory bordering Pakistan. On the intervening night of 8th April and 9th April in 1965, a whole infantry brigade of Pakistan attacked the Sardar Post. 2 companies of the 2nd Corps of CRPF were stationed there. Recalling the bravery of CRPF, President Ramnath Kovind said that the CRPF knights posted in the security of the country with their valor and patriotism wrote a golden history on the Sardar Post of Gujarat on 9th April 1965. Congratulations to everyone and tribute to the martyrs of Shaurya Divas, celebrated in memory of that unusual valor and sacrifice. The battle lasted for 12 hours. In the end, the Pakistani army fled the battleground, leaving behind 34 of their men dead, which included 2 officers. Another 4 soldiers were captured alive. On that night, the CRPF lost 6 of its brave soldiers. Ever since, the day is celebrated by the CRPF as Valor Day. This bravery was saluted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Appreciating the courage of the force, the PM said, "The courage of CRPF is widely known. On CRPF Valor Day, I salute this brave force and remember the bravery of our CRPF personnel in Gujarat's Sardar Patel Post in 1965. The sacrifice of the brave martyrs will never be forgotten." Home Minister Amit Shah has also saluted the bravery of the CRPF on Shaurya Divas. He said, on 9th April 1965 at the Sardar Post located in the Run of Kutch, Gujarat, a small contingent of the CRPF created history by defeating the enemy army several times larger than them. Congratulations to everyone and salute our brave martyrs of CRPF, a symbol of indomitable courage, valor and sacrifice on Shaurya Divas. The 1965 war was one of the historic wars in the world, in which a small contingent of police force not only forced the huge brigade of the enemy to kneel down, but also drove it out. April 9th is celebrated as Shaurya Divas to honor the unwavering valor and courage of our CRPF soldiers. With Bureau Inputs, Sudhakar Das's report, DD News.
The villagers